Step 1. Material preparation. Prepare all the materials you need to create this handbag. In this tutorial, we use vinyl leather as the outer and thin polyester fabric as the inner material. Don't forget to prepare the accessories too. Step 2. Sewing the strap. Apply the glue on the back of the vinyl leather and fold in the vinyl leather to create one side of the strap. Do it for both leather. After that, put together the two straps and sew into one. Don't forget to cut the one side of the strap 1 cm shorter to make it better and easier when sewing the strap. Step 3. Sewing the body. Apply glue along the sides of the leather and fold the leather 1 cm inside. Hold it using clipping pins and let the glue dry for a moment. Then, put the inner fabric and sew the zipper. Do it for both inner fabrics. After that, you can separate the zipper to make it easier on the next step. Sew the outer body with the inner body on the zipper area. Step 4. Making the gusset and bottom. Apply glue along the sides of the leather and fold the leather 1 cm inside. Hold it using clipping pins and let the glue dry for a moment. Don't forget to cut the corner edges. Put the outer and inner together using the glue. Fold the inner fabric 1 cm inside. Do it for all sides. Step 5. Sewing the body and gusset. Put the body and gusset together and hold it using clipping pins. Use a lot of clipping pins to make the sewing process easier and get the shape right. Sew along this side. Then, repeat the same process with the other side of the body. And this is the result of the stitch. Step 6. Finishing. Put the zipper pull to the zipper and create an unzipper using the vinyl leather. Sew along that part. Then, put the eyelet ring to the side of the bag. Do it on the left and right side of the bag. We will explain about the eyelet ring on the other video. Put the oval ring for the handbag strap. After that, put the strap to the oval ring and fold the strap about 1 cm. Sew the strap and do it for both sides. And now your handbag is ready.